Have the blower assembly out of the furnace. You literally take everything apart.
Hi, welcome back. Today's video is a little bit different because I have recently moved to a new home here, and I am a lucky girl because I have an HVAC dad. As soon as he walks into the door of my new house, guess where he goes? Straight to the furnace, straight outside to the air conditioner. He wants to check everything out. We did notice that it seemed that my HVAC system was running a little bit noisy. It was kind of loud when the blower was going. So my dad over here took the entire blower assembly out of the furnace in the basement and took it outside to get it all cleaned up. When the blower assembly is all dirty, it could knock everything out of balance, which causes it to be noisy. I can verify for a fact that after he got it all cleaned up, I can barely hear anything when my AC is on. I did want to let you know that this house is about 5 years old. It has had maintenance done on it, but still, due to the new construction, it had a lot of drywall dust in it, and that was causing it to not run well. I don't know that I would necessarily consider this a DIY project either, because there's definitely a lot of work involved in getting the blower out of the furnace. There's electrical components you have to detach and reattach, and so that's my disclaimer. I think that this should be done by a professional. So here's the footage of my dad doing his thing, cleaning out my blower assembly in my new backyard. Today we're cleaning the blower assembly, is that what you said?
Mm-hmm. This whole thing is the blower assembly. With the motor and everything, it's the blower assembly. There you can see the dirt. See the sheetrock dust underneath it? That's a layer of sheetrock dust, and that's enough to knock this out of balance, make it noisy. And since it is dust, it actually cleans up really easily. It's not greasy or anything. See the dirty water in here? Have to be careful. Sharp edges, everything is super sharp. Looks like I'm gonna have to get a brush. The drywall dust is stuck. The white stuff's being left behind. That's the drywall dust. See it come off there? Well, we ought to go get a brush. See how we got to get that out of there. See all that drywall dust literally turned. I've washed as much of it off as I can, but there's quite a bit in there. So let's just look right down here. See, look at this. Yes. Well, do you suppose that's enough to set this wheel out of balance? Oh, yeah. Absolutely. You know, so that's why now that we need to get it all off, because if you don't do a real thorough job in cleaning it, you're going to have a vibration to it. The other fix would be, we're going to do a real, it's just time consuming. Best thing is take it to a car wash, you know.
Oh,
and
really? You're not going to bend those fins on it?
No, you want to be gentle. Certainly don't want to drop it.
It's tough.
It's solid.
I just think of like when you wash out your air conditioner, you might bend the fins.
Yeah, no, that's very true there. But no, these are made out of steel. They're very heavy.
Okay.
Anyway.
Cool. Thank you. Thanks, Dad.
You bet. See how clean it is. But that dust literally turned into drywall compound on this wheel, so it took a little effort to get it cleaned off. Looks good.
And so now you think that it'll be less noisy?
We're gonna see.